Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a great topic. Today we're going to talk about embracing nature's symphony, finding serenity in the great outdoors. Welcome back, my fellow educators, to another episode of Ignite Empowering Teachers. Today, I invite you to join me on a journey of tranquility as we explore the wonders of nature and the power it holds to bring peace and serenity to our lives. Have you ever noticed the soothing effect of nature's sounds? The gentle rustling of leaves, the melodious chirping of birds, or the rhythmic flow of a nearby stream, or just listening or watching the water in the pool. These sounds have a profound impact on our well-being, helping to reduce stress, practice mindfulness, and unlock our creativity. It is important to carve out time for tranquility. As teachers, our lives can be hectic, but it's essential to prioritize moments of tranquility. Let's explore practical ways to incorporate nature into our daily routines. Create a peaceful outdoor retreat, whether it's a cozy nook on your patio or a nearby park. Find small pockets of time to enjoy the beauty around you, even during busy days. Nature helps you wake the senses. Nature offers a multi-sensory experience that revitalizes our spirits. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors of flowers, the scent of fresh earth rain, the feel of soft grass beneath your feet, or the gentle breeze caressing your skin. Engage your senses fully to immerse yourself in nature's embrace. The benefits of nature extend beyond personal rejuvenation. Let's explore how we can integrate nature into our teaching experiences. Discover outdoor activities and nature-based lessons that sparks curiosity and cultivate environmental awareness in our students. By embracing nature in our classroom, we inspire young minds to appreciate the world around them. So, my fellow educators, as you can see, I'm enjoying this beautiful day in my backyard. Remember to take time to embrace, I call it, nature's symphony. Find solace in its melodies and draw inspiration from its beauty. As we nurture ourselves, we become better equipped to nurture our students. Stay tuned for our next episode where we delve into the enchanting power of watching birds. So thank you for joining me on this journey of finding serenity in the great outdoors. I hope this episode has inspired you to seek moments of tranquility amidst nature's embrace. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about Igniting Empowering Teachers podcast and share it with your fellow educators. Together, let's continue to ignite the spark of learning in our students' lives. Until next time, may the symphony of nature guide you towards serenity and joy. And today, take a moment to breathe and enjoy the beauty that nature has to offer. Have a wonderful day.